Wow, these cookie sheets sure have seen better days. They might not be rusty, but they sure are crusty. But once again, TikTok Shop's there to save the day. I've been seeing these non-stick baking sheets all over my FYP. I don't know what this diamond texture surface is supposed to do for my baked goods, but what I do know, these baking sheets are nice. So let's see how these hold up with dinner tonight. I'm not doing anything crazy, just baked potatoes and some pork tenderloin. Granted, everything's pretty much going to be wrapped in foil, but I mean, I always tend to cook like this, and you still saw the state of my cookie sheets before, right? I actually really like this 1-inch lip around the outside of the baking sheet. I don't know how many times I've grabbed the baking sheet out of the oven a little too fast and had like a potato or something just slide off of it. But with a really high lip like this, that's not an issue anymore. Oh, and by the way, I did look it up to see what this diamond texture on your baking sheet does to your baked goods. Apparently it helps with airflow, which more evenly cooks your food. So overall, these baking sheets worked incredibly well with my aluminum foil. But what do you think I should make next? Biscuits, cookies? Let's test if these are truly nonstick.